This Honda vehicle comes with a premium audio system, which lets you enjoy high-quality audio entertainment from a variety of sources. To use the system, the vehicle's power mode must be set to accessory or on. Press the Home button to go to the system's home screen. Press the reverse arrow back button to go to previously viewed screens. The system's power and volume knob is beneath the back button. Push the knob to turn the system on or off and turn it to increase or decrease volume. And then there are the seek and skip buttons, used to select songs or stations, depending on the source being used. Upon initial startup, the touchscreen will start automatically. Read and choose from among the options for data sharing. Next, if you haven't already done so, follow the directions to pair a compatible smartphone to the system via Bluetooth hands-free link. Press the Home button to see all the audio choices, phone button, and other apps available. And be aware that there are audio remote buttons on the left side of the steering wheel that let you adjust the volume, change the audio source with the selector wheel, and use the seek and skip functions. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details.